How to add Stremio add-ons on TV. So, what are Stremio add-ons? Before we dive into the installation process, it's essential to understand what Stremio add-ons are and how they work. Add-ons are essentially third-party extensions that are developed by independent developers to enhance the functionality of Stremio. These extensions can provide a wide range of features. So to install this, first you need to enable unknown sources. So before you can install any add-on, you need to enable the unknown sources on your Stremio app. To do this, you need to open Stremio on your device, navigate to settings, scroll down to advanced section, and toggle the switch next to unknown sources to the on position. Click on OK to confirm the change. Now find and download the add-on. So open a web browser and navigate to the website that hosts that add-on you want to install. Click on the download button to download the add-on file and save the file to a location on your device such as the downloads folder. Now install the add-on. Open Stremio on your device and navigate to add-ons menu. Click on the install from file button. Select the add-on file you downloaded. Click on OK to install it and wait for the installation process to complete. Now configure the add-on. So this is actually optional, but to do that, navigate to the add-ons menu, click on the configure button next to the add-on you just installed, follow the on-screen instructions to configure the add-on, and then click on OK to save your changes. And that is how to add Stremio add-ons on TV.